Another vector tutorial. In this stage I am going to solve the question number 3 from exercise 13.5. Information provided here. Position vectors are given in terms of A, which is I minus 4, so we can write this is the position vector of A, that the position vector of B, and the position vector of B given, which is that one. The question is, the point C lies on AB such that this is the relation of AC and AB. Find the position vector of C and magnitude of this vector. So the question is, they are asking to find out the OC is what. This is the first question, and modulus of OC, another question here. So let me do that. We are going to break down this information from here. So we know that in terms of position vector we can write it AC equals to, so we can write it OC minus OA if we break down it, because that is the information given, and 2 by 3 of OB minus OA, which is OB minus OA, because in terms of position we can write it. So make OC as a subject, then you can write it OA plus 2 by 3 of OB minus OA. Now we are going to put the vectors from there. OA, first one is the OA, we know I minus 4j, so let it write I minus 4j plus 2 by 3 of OB minus OA, OB the second one, which is 7i plus 20j minus I plus 4j. Okay, now let's break down. I minus 4j plus 2 by 3 into, if we break down that one, I 7i minus I, which is 6i, then 20 plus 4, which is 24j. Okay, let's say break down I minus 4j plus, if we multiply 2 by 3 into 6, so 2 to the 4i we would get from there. Then another one 3, if we multiply 2 by 3 with the 24, so 3 8 24, 8 to the 16 j comes here. Okay, then the next part is extremely sorry, we are going to add the I and I, which gives us 5i. Then another one, if we subtract 4 from the 16, so we would get 12j. So this is our vector OC from here, the first part of this question, position vector OC, and the second part, magnitude of this vector. We all know how to find out the magnitude. I'm using different color in this stage. Magnitude, actually you need to write like this, which is modulus of that vector 5i minus 12j. Let you make the modulus, it gives us 5 square plus 12 square minus 12 square, and from here we got 25 plus 144, which is root 169, and final answer is 13. So hope guys the way I did the question you understood. This is question from exercise 13.5 Cambridge Admit book, and question number 3 we have done for you. Thanks for watching.